I have a friend who needs to get a couple of 3x12, 14-foot long planks or beams, whatever you want, however you want to call it. And I was looking through my stack of cottonwood because he wanted them made out of cottonwood. I was looking through my stack of cottonwood, and everything I had was 12 foot long, was the longest. And so today I went and picked up 2 more cottonwood logs. Now my trailer is 16 foot long, and so these logs are just a little bit longer than that. I should be able to make what he wants out of one of these, and hopefully the other one will go to siding. But just in case, if I have a problem with one, I wanted to have a spare. So I picked up 2. And I could have got another one, but I did not want to overload my truck or my trailer. These are pretty green, so I just didn't see the need to overload. This should take care of what he needs, but now I got to see how I'm going to get these unloaded. Not quite sure if my tractor will be strong enough to pick these up or not, so that will be the first thing I try. I just have to resituate everything on my the trailer so I can get the tractor into it. So in my infinite wisdom, I made a mistake. I got so much mud down here that my truck started. You can see what happened. Driving along right here. I don't know if you can really see it, but as soon as I got that far, everything just started sliding down because of the weight of the trailer pushing against the back of the truck. Just slid down, and if I mess around too much, I'm just going to end up jackknifing my trailer because the mud gets even worse when you get down in here. It just gets worse down in here. So, and I am rethinking my strategy on getting these logs off of my trailer.
Tell, but it was definitely bouncing.
Huh?
It's hard to tell, but it was definitely bouncing.
That's what happens. So that's one log in place. It didn't go exactly how I had it played out in my head. A little bit of work, a little bit of ingenuity, a little bit of thinking. As long as I get the job done, I guess that's all I really care about. I wish it played out like I did in my head because it went a lot smoother. But that's how life is. So that's one log in. Next plan. So this log has a bend in it that will mess with what I'm after anyway. So I am going to cut it. Can't really see the bend too much, but it is there. I am going to cut it at 14 foot 6 inches. 14.6 right there. If I cut it right there, that'll eliminate a lot of weight. So then I believe I have no problem picking it up with my tractor and getting it put away, like I did the last one. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just cut her down 2 feet off of there. It'll get me what I need. There you have it, 2 cottonwood logs into position on the sawmill, ready to get loaded on, which will be a task just in itself, but doable with Marissa's help, of course, because she is the one that has all the strength. It just seems like the more I try to get done, the farther behind I get. I have a few videos in the works, a few ideas in the works for more videos. I do need to get this log, at least one of them, milled up and see if I can get 4x12s out of it for my friend, get him taken care of so he can get on with his job he has to do. So I'm going to get to it. I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend. Thank you for watching Not So Remote Alaska. May God bless and keep each and every one of you. And with that, I'm out. Have a great day.